Money, 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 money. Money. What's up, YouTube? T Wells here, back again, and today's video is gonna be on high-paying jobs out here in Houston, Texas. Yeah, when I say high-paying, we talking 100K and up. First, we starting off with the oil and gas industry. Listen, everything moves through the oil and gas industry. I don't care what you heard. Amazon, hey, you think about how that package get to your doorstep. Flying anywhere, all these trips, hot girl, summer, all that, it don't happen without oil and gas in some vehicle or in some plane or in some bus, whatever. So oil and gas gonna be number one. There are several jobs that make a lot of money in the oil and gas industry. You have operations, you have maintenance, you have technical work, you have engineering, you have management positions, you have accounting, you have HR, you have construction, and the list goes on and on and on. I'm gonna make a separate video just on the oil and gas industry itself and the jobs. I'm gonna break down my job and how I make the money that I make. All right, number two, medical. So you have millions of people here, and you know what happens when millions of people are in one area? Chaos. I hate to break it to you. People get into wrecks, people get hurt, people get sick. People are having kids, so you're gonna need the medical industry to facilitate all of that. So you're gonna have to have nurses, you're gonna have to have doctors, you're gonna have to have surgeons, you have to have these different specialists. Maybe you might have something in your eye that, I'll use my brother for example, man. My brother had an issue with his cornea in his eye. The only doctor that could perform the surgery, it was two doctors, one here in Houston and one in California. And guess who had the technology? The one here in Houston. So hey, the medical field, there's plenty of jobs that make more money. I'm actually bringing on somebody from the medical field that I know personally to talk to you more about that industry so you can get a better idea of the jobs, and it may be a job that you're interested in. All right, number three, the service industry and entrepreneurs out here in Houston. All right, all these people that's making the money in the oil industry, all these people that's making the money in the medical field, guess what? They love to get serviced. And other people too that are outside of those two fields. So this would be the hairdressers, the barbers, and I miss when I had my waves, damn. But listen, ladies like to get their hair done. Fellas like to get their hair cut. Ladies like to get their nails done, the eyelashes, the whole everything, man. Houston is a big, nice city, and people like to look good when they step out and feel good. There's no problem with that. If you're in the service industry or you have one of those talents to where, hey, I know how to do hair, or hey, I know how to cut hair, or anything that deals with beauty itself, you can make a lot of money. I know makeup artists out here, they making plenty of money. All right, another thing in the service industry, fitness. So a lot of people like to work out here. There are gyms all over this city. Just in the county I live in, there are, I think, 8 gyms, probably even more than that, but I know for sure 8 of them. So within the gyms, you have personal trainers, you have gym owners, you got the guys who manage the gym, as well as people who do just other stuff like promotional stuff, media, videos, and the list go on and on. And food, oh my God, the food here is so good. You probably heard of Turkey Leg Hut, right? That's just one. You probably heard of 13, which is James Harden restaurant, and it's really good. You got so many steakhouses, man. It's just so many different cultures. If you are really good at preparing a dish, no matter what it is, I guarantee you probably could sell it here in Houston. And shoot, it's a guy, you know what? You will make 100,000. It's a guy, I don't know his name, but he does hot dogs downtown, like near Rice University. I'm pretty sure that guy makes over 100K from the lines I see on Instagram and from what I see on Facebook. Shoot, he gotta be making some money. All right, now the entrepreneurs, let's talk about that side. With the entrepreneurs, these people, men and women, they're able to make so much money because everyone else makes a lot of money. So let me give you a good example. Real estate. Real estate, people who make money, they want a home because they want to raise a family. They want a nice home. So real estate, there are plenty of homes and neighborhoods being built here in Houston. Just where I'm at in this area, I've seen 2 other neighborhoods come up within the past 2 years. So if you're a real estate agent or you're interested in real estate, I'll be making another video with my neighbor who lives right directly behind me. He does real estate, and man, he does very well for his family, and he'll give you guys more information on that area of entrepreneurship so you can make some more money. Finances. Listen, it does not matter how much money you make if you do not know how to handle your money. Luckily for me, I married someone in the financial industry, and she has her own business. My wife, she owns Taylor Wealth Saver, which is a financial counseling company. All right, she has these planners here. These are yearly planners that'll help you go from A to Z in your finances. Also, she has a private Facebook group where she goes through the planner page by page. So if you're interested in it, I'll have a link in the description below. This will help you. Hey, you may already have one of these jobs that I'm talking about, or you want a job like that. You need to have a plan in place that where you're not just blowing all your money. It happens. You'll be surprised how many people come out here and make 100,000, 200,000, even it can go as low as 50,000, whatever, and they don't know how to handle what they make. So definitely click that link in the description below. Get you a planner and join the private Facebook group. All right, and last but not least, we have the Black Business Directory, which is Black Book Houston. These are a few of my friends. Shout out to them. They have a YouTube channel, and they are the hub for all of the Black businesses here. So if you're looking for anything Black owned, you just go onto their site, and then from their site, I have a link in the description below as well. You can find anything and everything from a hairstylist to a private chef to a trucking company to real estate. Everything and anything you can think of, they have it on their site. So these are just a few of the jobs that I know about personally that you could get paid out here in Houston. Check them out. I'm gonna have people from each of these categories come in and talk to you more in depth on them. So if you're still deciding to move down here to Houston, hey, you can kind of pick the lane you want to go in and make you some money so you can enjoy this city. All right? Until I see you guys in the next one. Peace.